Hello all, welcome, Vanakkam, Namaste. Very happy Children's Day to all. Today I am going to announce the winners of the Lok Kala Ratna Award 2021. As you all know, we have four artist group. Group A, children below 12 years. Group B, children between the age group of 13 to 18. Group C, amateur artist, and Group D, professional artist. We have one Lok Kala Ratna Award winner in each of this group. In addition, we have prizes for each region. Before we go to the award ceremony, I would like to share few words about our organization, International Indian Folk Art Gallery. International Indian Folk Art Gallery is a self-funded organization run entirely with the support of friends and family. Our vision is passing Indian folk art to the next generation. Our vision is to provide dignified living to the artists through our online gallery, knowledge transfer through our Gurukulam, and identifying and recognizing talent through competition. Lok Kala Ratna Award 2021 is the second competition for this year. Submissions were open on the 15th of August 2021. Artists from around the world submitted their artwork and the submissions were closed on the 30th of September 2021. We received 261 artworks, of which 180 qualified. With the help of the judges, we identified top 5 finalists from each region in each group. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the judges. Without their support and guidance, this competition wouldn't be possible. A big thanks to all the art lovers who voted in this competition. We received around 21,000 votes. Many instances, the artworks were tied and public voting helped us to pick the right winner. Before we see the winners, I would like to call Senthilji to explain about the scoring process.
Thank you. Thank you, Ratna. Art is very difficult to judge. It has got a perceived value. So what I think is beautiful may not be same for someone else. So in order for us to ensure the best artwork wins the competition, in consultation with the judges, we have put together a process called balanced scoring process, where we take a combination of judges' score and the art lovers' score, which is the public voting method, and then together we find the best artwork in the competition. So let me explain how this works. Okay, so let's look at the balanced scoring process for Lok Kala Ratna Award. So to start with, we have the technical judging two-step process, and then we invited art lovers to also vote. We had around 21,000 votes, and a combination of these two helped us to pick the winner. In terms of scores, 360 marks for judges, 40 for public voting, and a total of 400 marks. So let me explain the two steps. Step 1 is about technical valuation and scoring, and step 2 is validation during final interview, and total marks is 360. So let's look at the 5 criteria for technical scoring. First is of course beauty. Second is looking at the originality and uniqueness. Third, we look at the skills and techniques used, and then the inherent meaning explained. And the fifth one is fulfillment of the competition theme. So with all this done, that gives a total score of 240. In second step, we invite the top 5 finalists for a face-to-face interview. And here we check about the originality and skills and techniques used in creating the artwork, a score of 120. Okay, so now let's look at how the scoring process is calculated from public votes. It's nothing but average times a multiplier, and multiplier is nothing but number of votes you received. So if it's a single digit votes, then you get 1 multiplier. If you get double digit votes, it's 2 multiplier, and so on. So average times multiplier. In this case, we can have a maximum of 4. So we have taken 40. So that's how the balanced scoring works. So any artwork that receives the highest score wins the category. We believe for the online competition, the balanced scoring process is the most appropriate way of identifying the winner. And we have kept the entire public voting process as transparent as possible. And in terms of judging, we have kept the judging process as independent as possible. So we hope the best artwork wins this competition, and the artwork and the artist get recognition in the community. Now back to Ratna.
Thank you, Sendilji. That was well explained. Without further delay, now we'll go to the awards presentation. To begin with, we are going to present Group A, that is children below 12 years. For this, I would like to call upon Mr. Padmanabhan from Melbourne, Australia. Mr. Padmanabhan strongly believes that to revive Indian folk art, the best way is to involve young kids. Mr. Padmanabhan has graciously sponsored all the awards in this group. Welcome to this presentation, sir.
Namaste. Congratulations to all the participants. My association with this award and this sponsorship is mainly on the back of my daughter being quite passionate about Indian folk arts, and she's learning Indian folk arts gained from this platform. And secondly, I want to dedicate this award on behalf of my late father, Mr. Kunchikuttan. He hails from Kerala, and he was quite passionate about the local arts, and I wanted to dedicate this award not just for paintings and drawings from Kerala, but just Indian folk arts in general. So this category of award is for Group A, for arts and paintings submitted from Eastern region. Obviously, there's been a lot of very, very good entries, and it made the choice for very, very difficult for the judges and the public voters as well. However, we have to select the top 3. So I will start by calling out the top 3 awards for Eastern region. So the third position goes to Tapasya Varnekar for her Madhubani painting titled Little Mermaid's First Steps into the World with Mom. Tapasya scored a total score of 264 points. Congrats, Tapasya. The second position goes to Aganita Pragya. So Aganita Pragya for her art around Saura art category, and this is titled The Icon of a Day in the Life of Saura Tribe. Aganita scored 268 points, just beating Tapasya by about 4 points to get the second position. And the prestigious first position goes to Abhiram Anand for the work on Madhubani painting titled Nature in Harmony. So Abhiram scored 314 points, to get to this first position. Congrats, Abhiram. Congrats, Aganya and Aganita, and congrats, Tapasya. Well done, guys. Bye. And for this wonderful work, Abhiram Anand gets a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. So the next category of awards is for Southern region paintings and arts, which is being submitted by numerous participants. Once again, I think the judges and us, we were kind of overwhelmed with the number of entries which had come, and we had to pick the top 3. So I will start with calling out the top three for entries for the southern region painting and arts. So the third place award goes to Samhita Dikawali. Samhita Dikawali gets the third spot based on a score of 287 points for the work on Cherial scroll painting titled The Spirit of Rural Women. Congrats, Samhita. The second place for Southern Region category paintings goes to Sridhar Adit for the work on Tanjavur painting. Sridhar scored 304 points for the work Balakrishna with Annam. Congrats, Sridhar. And finally, the first place for Southern Region goes to Tejaswini Bharati Mohan for the work on Kalamkari painting titled Ananda Tandavam. Tejaswini scored 306 points, edging Sridhar by only 2 points to get to the first place. Congrats, Tejaswini. Congrats, all the participants. Thanks. And for this wonderful work, Tejaswini Bharati Mohan gets a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. Category of awards is for open category. So this is where we get award paintings and art entries from different art forms, which are culminated into an open category. The top three award winners, I'll just call out starting from number 3. So the third place goes to Diya Nagaraj with a score of 282 for the work on Gond painting, Saved Trees, Saved Life. Congrats, Diya.
Hi, I am Diya.
The second place for open category goes to Kirti Anand. Kirti Anand scored 284 points for the work on Warli painting, Villagers in Action. Congrats, Kirti. And then the first place goes to Sri Sahitya for subcategory Indian art titled Chola Mural, Rajaraja Cholan and his 3 wives at work. Sri Sahitya scored 294 points to get this first place. Congrats, Sri Sahitya. Congrats all the participants. Well done. And for this wonderful work, Sri Sahitya gets a cash prize of 5,000 rupees for a public favorite award. This public favorite award goes to Tapasya Vanekar. Tapasya obviously has got a lot of followers and friends. They've all voted for her beautiful work on Madhubani painting, Little Mermaid's first step into the world with mom. Tapasya scored 1,308 public votes to get this special award. Well done, Tapasya. And Tapasya gets a cash prize of 2,500 rupees for public favorite award. You've got a lot of followers. Keep doing the good work. Thank you. Finally, we come to the most prestigious award of this event. This is Lok Kala Ratna Award. This is a very special award given based on scoring by judges on the technicality of the work as well as in combination with the public votes. So this award recipient scored the highest overall score of 316 points, and this person also scored the highest judges award score as well, right? So and this award goes to Sridhar Adit for the work on Kalamkari painting titled Shiva Parvati Procession. Congratulations, Sridhar, for this prestigious awards. For this, Sridhar Adit gets a cash prize of 10,000 rupees. We expect to see more and more work from you and more entries. Well done and congratulations.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and lovely presentation. And congratulations to all the Group A winners. The next group is Group B. In Group B, we have two categories, the Southern category and the Open category. In the Southern category, third place goes to Samriti Dutt. Samriti Dutt did God Hanuman in Kalamkari style. Samriti got an overall score of 266. Second place goes to Sridhar Geetika Shri. Sridhar did Krishna playing flute in Brindavan in Kerala mural style. Sridhar got a score of 272. And the first place in Group B Southern category goes to Deepika V. Deepika did Chirial scroll painting, Telangana. Deepika got a score of 299. And Deepika receives a cash prize of 7,500 rupees. Well done, all of you. Congratulations. Now, the next category in Group B. Third place goes to Roshni Chandramohan. Roshni did Radha Krishna in Sanjeevi art. Roshni got an overall score of 272. And the second place goes to Anubhuti AS. Anubhuti did Krishna with Gopi in Patachitra. Anubhuti got an overall score of 288. And the first place in this category goes to Aditya Anand. Aditya did Fat painting, Battle of Haldigati. Aditya got the score of 330. And Aditya Anand receives a cash prize of 7,500 rupees. And now for the most favorite artwork award. With 1,292 votes, the most favorite artwork award goes to Krishna with Gopi Patachitra painting done by Anubhuti AS. And Anubhuti AS receives a cash prize of 2,500 rupees. And now to the Lok Kala Ratna award in Group B. With the total score of 334, this award goes to Srinath G flute at Govardhan Pichwai painting done by Shimpi Sahu. And Shimpi Sahu receives a cash prize of 15,000 rupees. Congratulations, Shimpi Sahu. Well done. Congratulations to all our other winners. Aditya Anand, Anubhuti AS, Roshni Chandramohan, Deepika V, Sridhar Geetika Shri, and Samriti Dutt. Well done, all of you. Congratulations. Now to the Group C. Group C is Amateur Artist. In the Western Region category, the third place with a score of 273 goes to Matani Pachadi painting, Shiravali, done by Anjali Agarwal. The second place with a score of 296 goes to Varli painting, Ant Hill, done by Dilip Puranikji. And the first place with the overall score of 316 goes to Kutch Lipan Art, Lothan Moore, done by Mrs. Praveen Khare. And Praveen Khare ji receives a cash prize of 12,500 rupees. In the Southern Region category, the third place with a score of 282 goes to Kerala mural painting Krishna with Gopikas music concert done by Surya Kumari Kolisetti. We had a tie. So here the public voting decided the winner. With a difference of 200 public votes, the second place goes to Kalamkari painting Geeta Updesh by Girishma Shah. With the overall score of 294, Tree of Life Kalamkari painting receives the first place in the Southern Region category. The first place goes to Dilip Puranik ji. And Dilip Puranik ji receives a cash prize of 12,500 rupees. In the Eastern Region category, with 306 votes, the third place goes to Bansi Ki Than Madhubani painting done by Simi Rishi. And the second place with 310 score goes to Saki Madhubani painting done by Tejal Desai. And the first place in the Eastern category with a total score of 314 goes to Mahishasura Mardini Madhubani painting done by Meenakshi Karanwal. And Meenakshi Karanwal ji receives a cash prize of 12,500 rupees. The next category in Group C is the open category. Unfortunately, in this category, we had disqualification. So, we have only second and first place. The second place with 228 points goes to Gone painting Togetherness done by Dr. Chaya Kumari. Now to the first place in Group C. With 250 votes, the first place in Group C open category goes to Bill painting Siblings Love done by Vrinda Bhargava. Vrinda Bhargava receives a cash prize of 12,500 rupees. Congratulations Vrinda. Congratulations Dr. Chaya Kumari. And the most favorite artwork award with 545 votes goes to miniature painting Lotus Vilokat Nayan done by Ranveer Singh Sudi. And Ranveer Singh Sudi ji receives a cash prize of 2,500 rupees. And now to the Lok Kala Ratna award in this group. With a total score of 318, this award goes to Madhubani painting Janani done by Simi Rishi. And Simi Rishi ji receives a cash prize of 25,000 rupees. Now moving on to Group D, Professional Artist. In the Western Region category, third place with 278 points goes to Kutch Lipan Art, Lipan Kham, The Beauty of Desert, done by Bhumi Nayak. Second place in the Western category with 280 points goes to Varli painting, Varli tribe, fishing using net, done by Sanjay Balakrishna Parak. And the first place in the Western Region category with 282 points goes to Varli painting, Forest, done by Anita Dalavi. And Anita Dalavi ji receives a cash prize of 15,000 rupees. Now moving on to the Eastern Region category. The third place with 263 votes goes to Madhubani painting Vasundhara, done by Priya Kakar. The second place with 274 points goes to Madhubani painting Kalia Nagnadan, done by Sri Chandrakumar Bhushanji. We had a tie between the second and the first place. With the exact same score from the judges, we had to choose the winner using public votes. With 200 more votes, the first place goes to Madhubani Ras Utsav, done by Shruti Subramani. And Shruti Subramani ji receives a cash prize of 15,000 rupees. Now, Group D Open category. In this category, we had a disqualification. So, there is only first and second place. With 272 votes, the second place goes to miniature painting Kunjuhu Chanchalo Chamba Chauhan by Suresh Chaudhary. The first place in Group D Open category with 280 votes goes to Ipan Art Lakshmi Chowki, done by Ekta Arya. Ekta receives a cash prize of 15,000 rupees. Congratulations Ekta, congratulations Suresh. Now to the most favorite artwork award. With the overall public voting of 402, this award goes to Kalamkari painting Dasavataram, done by Nagumalli Prasad. And Nagumalli Prasad ji receives a cash prize of 2,500 rupees. Now to the Lok Kala Ratna Award in Group D, Professional Artist. With the overall score of 322, this award goes to Kalamkari painting Dasa Avadaram, done by Nagumalli Prasad. And Nagumalli Prasad ji receives a cash prize of 30,000 rupees. Congratulations to all the winners. Well done all of you. And a big applause to all the participants. In this journey, we had the greatest pleasure to work with Indian folk artists and art lovers from all over the world. Our next Lok Kala Ratna Award will commence on the 14th of April 2022. Hope to see you all then. Thanks for joining me in this presentation. Once again, Happy Children's Day. Namaste, Vanakkam.